Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you must be fine at your home, and I know that your term 1 examination has been finished, and I also know that you are very happy right now, but don't be happy more because your term 2 examination, your term 2 is going to start and unit test 4 time has been scheduled. So don't worry about that. I'm here, I'm back for you, and we were discussing in the last video about the cubes and cube root. So we had discussed about the cube in last video. Now today let's learn about the cube root. Let's learn about the cube root. Dear student, as I told you that cube and cube root are completely related to each other. As I told you, na? As I told you, na, कि cube and cube root are completely related to each other, na? Like square and square root. Yes. So the symbol of cube root means representation of cube root is like this. For example, 8 is equal to 2. It means what we can say for this statement. It means the cube root of 8 is 2. If here will be 2, na? If here will be 2, na, then it will be square root. Then it will be square root, not cube root, because here is 2. If here is 3, that is cube root. That is cube root because of this. It means the cube root of 8 is 2. The cube root of 8 is 2. The square root of 4 is 2. Understand? समझ में आई नहीं बात? विशाल? Yes, very good बेटा. कैसे? Here is 3, that is why the cube root. Here is 2, that is why square root. That is why square root. Okay. Now, some interesting pattern here. Finding cube root through prime factorization. Through prime factorization. Prime factorization. Factorization. Finding cube root through prime factorization. What does it mean? What does it mean, prime factorization? Some of the students are saying that, sir, we are not getting understand. We were absent at that lecture when you were discussing about the prime factorization, sir. Don't worry. Today let's learn about that, na? Let's learn about that, na? What is the prime factorization? For example, we want to cube root of 625. For example, 125. So the prime factorization will be 5 into 5 into 5. That is 5 cube. The answer will be 5. The prime factorization will be. For example, 216, 516, 512. The cube root of 512. Sir, how it is possible? आपने ये कैसे कर दिया? So you know factorization, you don't know? Okay, I'll tell you. 5 and 2 factorize. Last digit is even, so start from 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 5. 2 5s are 10. 1 6. 2 6 are. Again last digit is even. Start from 2. 2 1s are. 2 2s are 1 and 6 16. 2 8s are. Again last digit is even number. Start from 2. 2 6s are. 2 4s are. 2 3s are. 2 2s are. 2 1s are. 2 6s are. 2 8s are. 2 4s are. 2 2s are. 2 1s are. So total will be, total is, how much 2 it is? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 2 into 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 2. 3 6 9. Make a pair. ओके, यहां पे क्यूब है इसलिए 3 3 का पेयर बनेगा. Understand? Yes. So that will be 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube, and it can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 cube. It can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 whole cube, and that is 8 cube. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 cube. It means the cube root of 512 is 8. The cube root of 512 is 8. So this is the procedure to finding the cube root by the prime factorization. So dear student, this was for all cubes and cube root, and the chapter has been finished. Now you all can understand about the basic things in cube and cube root. Try to solve exercise number 2. If you have any kind of doubt, then you can contact me. You can ask me anytime. I am available for you 24/7. Till then, enjoy your day. Bye bye, student.